Contact forces are the forces exerted by one object to another when they are in contact with each other. Contact forces are of two types. They are muscular forces and force of friction. Muscular forces means what? Exerted by muscles of a body. And the force of friction is it slows things down or prevents things from the moving. It always opposes the motion. Frictional force is always opposite to the motion of the object. And non-contact forces are forces exerted by one object on another without any contact. In the contact force there is a contact between the two objects, and in non-contact forces there is no contact with each other of the objects. Non-contact forces are of three types. They are: first is magnetic force, second one is gravitational force, and third one is electrostatic force. First one is magnetic force. It exerted by magnet on certain metals like iron. And second one is gravitational force, the force with which the earth pulls everything towards it, that is the gravitational force. G is equal to mg, we all know that. Third one is electrostatic force, the force exerted by electrostatic charges, that is positive and negative charge. Example is the south pole and north pole. The two poles are positively and negatively charged, they are attract. We will see the contact forces are in details. First one is muscular force. Muscular force is the force exerted by the muscles of our body. We use muscular force for our various activities, that is animals like bullocks, horses, camels, donkeys, elephants, and also use muscular force to perform various tasks. This is the muscular force. Next one is friction of force. Force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. Example is a ball rolling on a ground gradually slows down and come to rest due to the force of friction. If we stop pedaling a cycle, it gradually slows down and comes to stop due to the force of friction. It is a force which opposes the motion, is the frictional force. Now we will see the non-contact forces types. First one is magnetic force. Magnetic force is the force exerted by the magnets, that is force of attraction and repulsion between the two magnets. Force exerted by the magnet on a piece of an iron or steel, that is the south pole and north pole are attracts. The next one is gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force exerted by the earth on all objects. It pulls all objects toward the earth. Examples are: a coin or a pen falls down when it slips off your hand. Second is a ball thrown upward fall down. These are some examples of the gravitational force. The last one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body. That is, example, a plastic straw charged by rubbing with a paper attracts a suspended plastic straw. A plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper repels a suspended plastic charge by rubbing with paper. That is, whenever the force is exerted by a charged body to the another charged or uncharged body, there is an electrostatic force between the two bodies.